This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, all of you can hear me? Yes. So today we'll start about a new topic called control statements, guys. Control statements. Control statements. Okay. Control statements. So here you can take as a three parts in the control statements. One is conditional statements, conditional statements. The second one is iterative statements, iterative statements, iterative statements. The third one is transfer statements, transfer statements. So these are the three types of statements: conditional statements, iterative statements, and transfer statements. Okay. Yes, in each one we have the different types. In conditional statements, what are the different types? The first one is if statement. If statement. The first one is if statement. The second one is if else statement. If else statement. The third one is if statement. Okay, if statement. The fourth one is nested if statement. Nested if right statement. Nested if right statement, guys. So these are the four types of conditional statements. Okay, so first one is if statements, also called simple if statements, guys. It's also called simple if statement. Next, if else statement, then elif statement. Then the fourth one is nested if statement. Okay, right. Now coming to the iterative statements. Iterative statements. Here, generally we have the two types. One is for loop. For loop. The second one is while loop, guys. While loop. For loop, while loop. Iterative statements is also called loops. Also called loops. Okay. Yes. The third one is the transfer statements. So here the first one is break. Second one is continue. Right. Continue. The third one is pass. Third one is pass. So these are the different statements that supports in Python language. So conditional, iterative, and the transfer statements. Okay, right. We'll see all one by one. So first of all, we'll go with all conditional statements, then iterative statements, then transfer statements. Or else we'll discuss both iterative and transfer statements at a time. Combined, we'll discuss both. Okay, right. We'll start now. First of all, conditional statements, guys. We'll start now. Okay, conditional statements, right? Conditional statements. Okay, conditional statements. Yes, yes. So, what are the conditional statements, and why do we use conditional statements? Why do we use conditional statements? And what are the different types that we know? The types we know, but why do we use conditional statements? Okay, right. So for conditional statements, the best real-time example is traffic signals, guys. Traffic signals. Okay, traffic signals. All of you observe traffic signals. Okay, so why do we have the traffic signals? Why do we have the traffic signals? Right. For example, observe here. Right. So I'll take here now. All of you observe. Yes. Now just observe, guys, here. Okay. Just I am taking here a road. A road here. Oh, I am taking here a road. Okay. Yes. Here also we have the road, guys. Okay. Yes. Yes, guys. Here. So here it's a junction where we can get right the vehicles from four sides. We get the vehicles from four sides, right? From four sides, guys. So here, when the vehicles comes in all the ways, if you don't control these vehicles, then automatically they collide. Means the accidents will happen, guys. Accidents will happen because in each way we can guess n number of vehicles, right? We can expect n number of vehicles. So if you don't control, then automatically accidents will happen. So here, then how to control the flow of the vehicles? The flow of the vehicles. To control the flow of the vehicles, then guys here we keep traffic signals. We keep here, okay, traffic signals, guys. We keep the just traffic signals here, okay, traffic signals, which contains different lights, right? Like a green light, green, then something red, then some kind of like yellow, something like this. Okay, yellow something will be the right, but mainly green and red, green, right? Green and red. So now all of you observe. Suppose here at a time what happens here, only one side vehicles only will move, right? At a time one side vehicles will move. So at that time what happens, the remaining vehicles will stop, right? The remaining all the ways the vehicles will stop there. The vehicles will stop, right? Will stop there, guys, here. So only these vehicles only will, they can go in this way, right? Or else okay, yes, guys, they can go anywhere, right? They can go in this way, or else in this way, or else for example in this way they will go. So that whenever they're going, the remaining three sets vehicles will stop for a little bit duration, for a very small time, right? Very small time. After few minutes, few seconds, I think, right over, then they will be stopped. Then the other side vehicles will start going. Again, they may go different sides, right? They may go different sides like this, guys. So means here the flow of vehicles are stopped through the which one? Through the traffic signals. Traffic signals. The same way here we use conditional statements to control the flow of the program execution. Okay, so conditional statements are used to control the flow of vehicles, guys. Flow of vehicles, which one? Traffic signals. In this case, the flow of which one? The flow of okay, program execution. The flow of program, right? Program execution, guys. Program execution. Program, okay, execution, guys. Program execution. That's all. All of right. Uh, 1 second. CUTI. Right. All of you observe here. So conditional statements are used to control the flow of okay, program execution. Program, right? A program execution. Right. So here, let us see now the purpose of each one, guys. Purpose of each one, right? The first one is which one? Right, simple if, right? Simple if statements, or else just, guys, I'll copy from the above. These are the different types, right? Yes, guys. Now, so all of you observe here. So let us see now the purpose of each one. The purpose of each one. Okay, right. Now, 1 second, guys. I'll zoom it. Right. First of all, let us see about simple if statement. Okay, in the simple if statement, we have to check only one condition, guys. We check the only one condition. We check the one condition, right? One condition. If the condition is true, then we execute the block, guys. We execute the block. Block means a set of statements, right? If the condition is true, then we execute the block, nothing but a set of statements. When if the condition is true, if the condition is true, guys, the condition is okay, true. Suppose if the condition is false, if the condition is false, then what will happen? The condition is false. If the condition is false, what will happen? Nothing will happen, guys. In case of simple if, you know, it will work when if the condition is true, then only a block of statements will execute. If condition is false, then guys here it will do nothing. It will do nothing. That is which one? That is a simple if statement. Simple if statement, guys. Suppose I want the else block also, sir. I want both the blocks, sir. I want both either true or false blocks. Then we'll go with the second one. Or second one, if else statement. If else, right? If else statement. Here, observe. Suppose we have one condition. We have one condition here. If the condition is true, one block will execute. If condition is false, another block will execute, guys. So here both the ways are possible. If condition is true, one block will execute, block of statements. If condition is false, the other block also will execute. Other block also will execute here. This is the true case, and this is the which one? Okay, this is the false, guys, false case, right? And this is the condition. There are also a condition, right? See, in the case of the first one, what we don't have the else block. The condition is false, then what will happen here? Nothing will happen. To overcome this one, we are going for the next level. Which one? If else statement. So here, if the condition is true, it executes a block of statements. If condition false also, it executes a block of statements. That's what it's called. Which one? If else statement, guys. If else. If condition is true, one block. Else, another block. But here only if means if condition is true, then execute the block. That's all. That is the if and if else. If and if else. Right. Now let's go with the third one is elif statement, guys. Elif statement. Okay. Now all of you observe. Suppose one condition is there, right? One condition is there. Okay, one condition is there. If the condition is true, one block will execute. If condition is false, another block will execute. And before this one, see one point, guys, here, one point here. Now all of you observe. So here, what's the possible here? Checking the only one condition is possible. We can check only one condition. Suppose I want to check the multiple conditions. I want to perform the multiple conditions. Then again, not possible here. Here, only one condition, either true or false. That's all. But I want to check the multiple conditions. I want to check the multiple conditions. Then, guys, we go for the next one. What next one? Elif statement. To check the multiple conditions, we go for the elif statement. Okay, elif statement. Now all of you observe. Suppose it is the one condition. If condition is true, one block will execute. If condition is false, another block will execute. Right? Suppose condition is true, this block executing, guys. Block executing. Okay. Or else let's take the condition is false, then this block is executing. If condition is false, right, what's happening here? The block is executing. If condition is true, we can check the one more block, guys. Now we can check the one more condition. You can check the one more condition. All of right. Actually here already what is over now? Condition one over already. Now I'm checking the one more condition also. I'm checking the one more condition also. One more condition, guys. Right? If the condition is true, I'm going for the one more condition here. One more condition, right? One more condition. Okay, one more condition here. One more condition. Or else here. Now all of you observe. Now all of you observe here, right? This is the right condition one, right? Condition one, guys. Suppose if condition one is true, then execute the block. Execute the block, guys. Here, if I take the longer, right, a very more height box means it's the block. Okay, imagine it's a block. If condition is true, then the block executing. The condition is false, then check the one more condition. One more condition that will take here condition two. I'm taking now condition two. Again, this condition may be true or may be false, right? This condition may be true, right? May be false. This condition, right? May be true, may be false. Suppose if it is true, again, execute the block, guys. Execute the block, right? If it is true, execute the block. If it is true, what I am doing here, execute the block. If it is false, check the one more condition. We are going for one more condition. I'll take the name as a suppose, right? Condition 3. Condition 3, guys. Again, check the condition again here, right? Again, check the condition again. It may be true or false, right? Again, same, guys. Now, it may be true or false. If it is true, again execute the one block. Execute the one more block. If it is true, we are going for the one more block. If it is false, check the one more condition, or else execute the one else block, guys. Here, execute the one else block. Okay, execute the one else block. All of right. This is the which one? This is the else block. Else block, guys. Okay, else block like this. So here, what happened now? In the previous case, you know what happened? Only one condition possible, right? Only one condition possible, only one. But here, condition one, condition two, condition three, and so on. You can check the n number of conditions, right? And each time also, if condition one is false, then only going for the second condition, right? If condition is one false, going for second condition. If condition two false, then going for which one? Condition three, right? Condition three, guys. If condition 3 false, then going for the else block. Else block. If condition one is true, then execute the block. If condition 2 is true, again execute the right, execute the block. If condition 3 is true, again execute the block. Okay, execute the block, guys. All of right. So here elif means if the first condition is false, then check the second condition. It's also false, check third condition. It's also false, check fourth condition, and so on. If all conditions are false, then we keep one block here, one block. Means some statements to execute by default when all conditions are false. All conditions are false. Okay, yes, it's all about which one? Elif, guys, elif statement. Okay, elif statement. It's all about elif statement. All of clear, right? If condition one is false, then only condition two checking. If condition two is false, then only two checking, like this. Okay, right. Now we will go for now. All of you observe. We'll go for the nested if. Nested if. Sir, what is the meaning of nested if, sir? What is the meaning of nested if? Nested if means writing a if in another if, guys. Writing a if in another if is called nested if. Taking one if in the another if is called nested if. Okay, nested if. Now just observe here. Let's take the one condition, right? Condition one, guys. Condition one. All of you observe. It is the okay condition one. This condition one, right, may be false or maybe right, maybe true, guys, maybe true. If it is false, then I can take some block here. I can take some block, I can take some condition also, no issues. Suppose if it is true, then guys check the one more condition. One more condition. If it is true, check the one more condition. When if it is true, check the one more condition. If it is true, we are checking here one more condition, guys. That's why here we are writing a one if in the another if. Writing the one if in the where? In the another if, guys. All of clear, right? This is the if in the another if. One if condition, if it is true, in that one more if condition. So a if in the another if is called nested if. Nested if, okay? Nested if, guys, right? And again, now check the condition again, right? This condition may be true, right? May be false. If it is true, see, if it is false, write the one block, execute one block here. If it is true, we can check the one more if here. One more if, right? That means again, in this one, I am taking one more if, guys. One more if means actually it's if only. In that if, I am taking the one more if again, right? One more if, one more if. So I can take this one as a right condition three, right? Condition three, guys. Condition three. Again, same now, same, guys, here. Again, check the condition, right? Maybe true or false. If it's false, one block. If it is true, okay. So you can take the one more block, or you can take the condition. All possible, guys, here. All of clear, right? All of clear. So here writing one if in the another if. Again, writing the if in the another if. In the another if means see, if condition one is true, then going for condition two means this condition two available where inside the condition one. If condition one is true only, then condition two executing, right? Condition two executing, guys. Okay. So these are the generally four types of conditional statements, guys. Four types of conditional statements. All of let me know. All of let me know. Is this clear for everyone? And now we will see all practically, guys. We will see all right practically. We will see all right practically here. See, actually here, right? Elif, right? Elif is there, guys. Here in Python we have the elif. In other languages, it is called if, else, if, guys. If else if statement. This elif in other language is called if else if statement. If else if. Already we have the if else, right? If else is there. If else means only one condition. To check the multiple conditions, right? Multiple conditions, then you go for if else if. It is in another language, but in Python language we don't call if else if. Simply we call it as a elif statement. Elif, nothing but if else if only. If else if, guys. If else if. Okay. All of you let me know. All of let me know. This four statements clear, right? Purpose of this four clear. If it's clear, guys, then we start, right? We start examples on each one. Allah, let me confirm once. So yes, this is the right. This is the first one, right? This one, guys. And if else, right? This is the if else. Okay, this is the if else example. And this is the right elif. This is the elif. Okay, elif. And guys, this is the last one, right? Next if. Allah, let me know. Everybody is clear, right? In case of elif, if condition is false, then going for the next condition. Again, if condition is false, going for next condition. That is elif. Next if means if condition is true, going for the next condition. Again, condition is true, going for the next condition. That's what the main thing. Okay, right. Now I hope guys we are clear. Now we'll start the examples of in each one. Okay, right. Now let me open the Python. Right. So guys, now what I'm going to do, I am going to open a new file. Yes, in this new file, write the programs, guys. Till end of the batch, whatever the program I want to write, and in our batch, this file I'll open now onwards, guys. Okay, and yes. So first of all, let us see one example. Let's see one example on if statement. Okay, if statement, guys. We'll see one example on the okay if statement. Okay, if statement. Right. So I want to check the one condition. I want to check the condition. Let's take for example students marks. Let's take about, for example, students percentage. The percentage is above 35. I want to display, yes, you are passed in the examinations. If the marks or percentage above 35, then I want to display that you are passed in the exam. For that one, first what we do, we take the user data, right? We take the data from user. So how take the user data? By using input function, right? Input, then all of you observe, enter your percentage, enter your percentage. And I hope you remember about input function, which it reads data in the string format. Even though you give the number, for example, 80 number, but it takes in the input takes in the string format to convert into integer format. We can use either eval function, or else we can use a int function. Okay, int function, right? Into one variable, I'll take the variable name, suppose guys, marks variable. What's variable name? Marks. Okay, marks variable. Okay, right. Now all of you observe, if that marks less than or greater than greater than 35, 35, 35, then guys, I want display what I want display. I want display that, okay, you are pass in the exam. You are pass in the exam, guys. That's all enough. Just I'm thinking about, if you get above 35, that's all. I don't want when you get below 35. Okay, yeah. So here in this file, writing program over. Then guys, this file we have to save it. To save the file, go to file, click on the which one, save file, save file. Now save the file, save the file. By default, it will open the Python path. I am taking the file name, suppose, right, the Python 6 p.m. 6 p.m. right, 6 p.m. Programs .py, guys. 6 p.m. batch. For example, take the name 6 p.m. batch. Okay, 6 p.m. batch.py. That's all. Now all of you observe our module name, our file name, then location of the file, guys. You can see the location of the file. Okay, now we have to run the file. To execute the program, we have to run the file. To run the file, go to run tab, then click on the run module. Click on the right run module, or else a shortcut is there, that is F5, guys. Shortcut is the F5, right? F5. So always we use F5 instead of going to run a tab, and click on this one. Simply can press F5. Okay, F5. Now it's asking us enter percentage. I am giving 90 percentage. I am giving how much, right? 90 percentage. Now all of you observe, yes, 90 percentage. Okay, I am giving 90. Click enter. It's saying that you are passed in the exam. You are passed in the exam. All of clear, right? Okay, so now all of you observe here, I am giving the how much now, 90. That 90 will come, right? That 90 will come now. 90, that 90 is taken through which one? Taken through the input function in the string format, right? Input is take string format, and eval converts into integer because the input integer, right? And assigned to marks, assigned to variable marks. Now in the marks, what do we have now? Finally 90 is there, right? The marks variable, what's the value now? 90 variable. That's 90, right? 90 value. The same 90 we are comparing. Now 90 greater than 35. 35, is it true or false? It is true. Then if the condition is true, it execute the block, guys. Execute the block. What is there here? You are passed in the exam. That's what output came. That's what, guys, output came, right? Output came here. You are passed in the exam. For example, let me again run the program. Run the program. Yes, I'm giving here just, guys, 20 marks. 20 percentage. I am giving 20 percentage, right? Now all of you observe. Let me execute this one. See, nothing will happen. So why? What is the reason? How much we are giving here? 20. Now this 20 will assign to which one? This 20 will assign to the taking through which one? Taking the input function and assign to the marks variable. Assign to the marks. Now finally, in the marks variable, what do we have? 20 is there, right? Now in the marks, what do we have? We have the 20, right? 20. Now 20 greater than 35. Is it true or false now? Is it true or false? False. So false means this block will skip, guys. This block will skip. This if block will skip. If it will skip, then what is next here? Nothing is there. If the if is skipping, then what is there? Nothing is there. Nothing is there. That's why here. That's why here we don't get any output. We don't get any output here. Okay, for example, sir, if I give below 35 or below 35, for example, I want display you are failed in the exam. If I give above 35 above 35, I want display you are passed. If I give below 35, I want display you are failed. Then how is possible, sir? Then guys, you have take the else block. If you take the else block, then that is called which one? If else statement, guys. If else statement. If else statement. Right? Let me try on. Let me try here. I'll go with the else block. We go with the else. Else. Yes. Now I am taking here print. Right? Print. Uh, you are you are failed in the exam. You are failed in the exam, guys, right? Now let me run this one. I am giving same 20 only. Now check it. You are failed in the exam. You are failed in the exam. Let us see the execution flow. This 20 first of all is taken to which one? So 20 will come here. 20, right? That 20 is taken, is reading through which one? Input function in the string format, but eval converts into integer format, then assign to which one? Marks variable. Now our input 20 assigned to the marks variable, right? Now check the condition. What is marks variable value? 20. Now 20 greater than 35. 20 greater than 35. 35, is it true or false? Is it true or false? False. If the condition is false, then automatically go to else block, then execute the else block automatically. If the if condition is false, if the if condition is false, then go to else block, then execute the else block. Execute the else block, right? Now in the else, what is there? You are failed. That's why that came here, and that's what display in the output, guys. That's all of it. So input going like this and output coming like this, guys. Here. Okay, that's all. You are failed in the exam displaying the. Okay, suppose now let me run the program again. I am giving 35. I am giving 35. Now see, it's coming that you are failed in the exam. But generally, if you get 35 percentage, 35 marks, we are passed only. But why it's coming you are failed? Again observe here, same process, guys. Just to understand the flow. 35, 35, right? Coming here, take reading through the input function, and eval converts into integer format and assign to the marks variable. Now what's the marks here? 30, right? 35. The same 35, the same 35 I'm taking here. 35 greater than 35. 35 greater than 35. True or false? False. Then go to else block. Then guys, here in the else block, what do we have? I have taken only one statement only. That will come on the display in the output, guys. This will come in the display output. But so now what I want here, if marks greater than or equal to 35, the marks are equal to or greater than, guys, then you are passed, right? Now let us see here. Let us see now. Right, because I'm giving 35. Yes, you are passed the exam. You are passed in the exam. So here I want to show the marks also, guys. Here, like you are passed in the exam because you got 60 percentage, like that. Or here you are failing the exam because you got 20 percentage. Means whatever the user is giving, that input also I want display in the output, guys. The output. For that case, you know what do we do? See, I'll modify here. You are passing the exam, right? Because your, suppose your marks, right? Or else you got so and so marks, right? I'll take the format function, guys. I'll tell you what is format. I'll tell you. Okay. Yes. What's the value here? That marks, right? The same case now. In the same case, you are failed in the exam. Okay, because same. You got, because you got, right. Because you got. Then I'll take here marks outside format of, right, format of, in this one, let's take the marks. Okay, right. Now all of you observe. Let us try now. I am giving 60. Yes, you are passing the exam because you got 60 marks. You got 60 marks, right? Let's take the less marks, like 10 marks, guys. Okay, 10 marks. Yes, you are failed in the exam because you got 10 marks. So whatever the user is giving, the student is giving, that one also we are displaying the output, displaying in the output, right? Okay. Here, then what is format function, right? What is a format function? Yes. Now all of you observe. So format function is used. Format function is used to format the print function in a proper manner. If you want format the print function in a proper manner, we use a format function. Okay, that means, suppose see, in the print function I want display some variable values. I want display some variable values. If you use variables directly, then we take the commas and the quotes, again commas, quotes, like this. We take the all those things. When you have the more number of variables, it makes a little bit complex to write the program. So in that way, if you use format function, then guys, it makes very simple, right? So see, wherever you want display that user input, there we take the just one placeholder, and after print function, right, after quotes over, format of that variable. Which variable? That user, right? User variable, guys. That variable I'm taking here. Okay. Now in the marks, now what is there here? He is giving suppose 60. Now, so wherever placeholder is there, automatically this variable value will go on the place here. Will go on the place automatically. Suppose, imagine now this placeholder I'll take somewhere. Suppose I am taking here something like this, guys. Enough. Let us see now. Let us see here. I am giving now suppose 90 percentage. See now, where is the placeholder? Where is the placeholder now? U placeholder is there. That's why in output also U, the marks is there. So wherever you use the placeholder, automatically the format will send the variable value wherever you use the placeholder. Okay, so that's why when you use the placeholder, we should use in a proper manner, right? In a proper manner. Okay, right. We can take the n number of variables, guys. We can take the n number of variables. For example, let me take the student name also. Student name also, right? Input, I'll take here, enter your name. Enter your name. So I'll take here something name, right? Name equal to, right? Now what I want to display, hello, suppose it's giving some name, some Satya. I want to display hello Satya, you are passing the exam. In a single print I want to display, then I'll take directly here, right, hello, right, hello, then Satya, right, Satya, that's all. I'll take here also, guys. Okay, hello, some student name, then we'll take here name, guys. Here we'll take the name, that's all, right? Let us try now, let us try. I run this one, I run this one. Okay, I'm taking the name Satya here, the percentage 90%, right? Now all of you can observe here, hello Satya came. You passed the exam because you got 90 marks, right? Here the name Satya and the marks 90 both are given by whom? Given by the user, right? Student Satya and 90, right? 90. So in this case, so all of you observe, so Satya is giving there, and let's take here 90 marks giving, right? 90 marks giving, guys. Now Satya assigned which variable? Name variable. 90 Satya assigned which variable? To the name variable, and 90 assigned to which one? Assigned to the marks variable, right? Marks variable, guys. And both are used here. Now in the name, what is there? In the name, we have the Satya. In the marks, 90 is there. So what's the first? So wherever the first place folder is there, automatically the first variable value. What's the value? Satya, right? Satya will go, guys. Now Satya will go automatically. Satya will go automatically. And what's the second variable value? 90 is there. That 90 will go to the second place folder automatically. We can take the n number of variables in a single format function. In a single format, right? Let's take now, suppose I'll take the full name, guys, Python Narayana. His name is Python Narayana. Then he got, suppose 40 marks, guys, or 40 percentage. Now you can see, right, hello Python Narayana, you are passing the exam because you got right 40 marks. You got 40 marks, right? The same example, guys, I'm going to elaborate now. I want to display welcome message also, right? Welcome message also, like something, right? Welcome to NTH online, something. Okay, results, guys. And after over, I want to display something. Thank you so much, right? I am taking here. Okay, thank you so much, right? Again, we'll take, suppose, right, visit again, guys. Okay, visit again, that's all. See, either you are fail, you are pass. These two lines common. Which one? Welcome message and thank you. These two common, right? These two common. Okay? That's why what I'm going to do, that I'm going to take in case of else also, I'm taking the welcome message. In case of fail also, I am taking the which one? This thank you, guys. No, right? Thank you. Now all of you observe. Yes, we'll take the full name, right? Which is having two words, right? Then suppose the 10 percentage. Yes, we can see, right? Welcome to so-and-so website, right? Then hello Python Arena. You are failed in the exam because you got 10 marks. Then thank you so much, right? Thank you so much. And here, right? What I want now, I want display capital P and, guys, capital N, right? I want display capital P and then write capital N, right? Capital N. Then tell me now which function we use to convert. It is a single string, right? It's a single string, guys. It's a single string. In the single string, I want to convert the first character into uppercase, guys. Then now, which function we use? Anyone knows? Already that function we have seen the string, guys. Already that function we have seen the string case. Okay, let us try now. Let us try here the same name dot. I'm going to use title function, guys. Let's see title. If I use title, then what will come? I'm converting, right? Converting again. Observe here, right? Then 90 now. So all of can observe here. All of can observe here. Yes, guys. Okay. See here actually, we have given this one all small case, right? Small case, guys. Okay. But in the output, you see, right? You see here, small p became capital P, then small n became capital N, guys. Capital N. Okay, capital N. So for the which function we used? We used title function. Okay, title function, guys. Title function, right? But if you observe here, if you observe here, but so same lines repeating, right? Same lines, guys. Welcome message repeating in the if, in the else, and also thank you repeating in the if and in the else, guys. They are repeating. They are repeating duplicate coding. That's why, see, actually, so as for the condition, what is the main difference? The second point, right? Like you are passed, you are failed. This is the main one. The remaining two, like welcome and thank you, you're also welcome, thank you. They are common. Either you get pass marks or fail marks, guys. Okay, that's why. So what do I do to avoid the duplicate coding? I'll take the welcome message before the condition only one time, right? So here not required, and this thank you message I'll display after all blocks over. I'm taking that one. I remove from here. Now all of you observe. All of you observe now. All of you observe. Is it possible or not? Tell me now. Is it possible or not? Just instead of writing the two times, I'm writing the only one time. Writing only one time, guys. Right? Let us try now. Finally, we'll try it now. We'll try it now. Let's take right Django Narayana. Then let's take 90 percentage, right? Hello, right? Django Narayana. See, welcome is coming, and thank you also coming, guys. Suppose I am getting now, I am taking here same, right? Django Narayana, then just 10 percentage, guys. See, same, even though your field is coming, but what's common here? Welcome is common, and thank you so much also common, guys. Both are common. Both are common, guys. Both are common. Now, suppose, guys, now all of you observe. So it's about which one? It's about if else, guys. Okay, if else. But here now, all of you just observe now. We'll take the Python Narayana. I am giving here by mistakenly. I am giving 140 marks, guys. Actually, the marks means up to 100 actually. But by mistakenly, I'm entering 140. I'm entering 140. Now, what will come? It's saying that welcome to NT channel results. Hello, Python Arena. You are passed because you got 140 marks, right? Even though you got more than 100 marks, saying that you are passed. Okay, but actually in this case, guys, I want display invalid marks. I want display invalid if it is above 100. If it's above 100, I want display invalid. So we go for second condition. Actually, one condition over. One condition over. Now, what I want now, if the marks above 100, I want check the one more condition. If marks above 100, then display invalid marks. Means we want one more condition. If you want, write two or more conditions, then guys you go for third one. What is third one? L if statement. L if, right? L if statement, guys. L if means to write two or more conditions. To write two or more. Only one condition means if else only, guys. Always. But I want two or more conditions. We go for the L if, right? L if statement. L if statement. Okay. So first of all, let us some examples we'll see about if and if else. After that one, now we'll go for the L if, guys. We go for the L if. Okay. Now all of let me know. All of let me know. Is this clear for everyone? All of let me know. Is this clear for everyone? Here format function if else. All of let me know. All of let me know. Just one simple example explained for 1 hour, guys. Okay. Yes, very good, guys. Very good. Okay, right.